The United States is poised to implement new sanctions targeting Russia's energy sector, specifically its shadow fleet of oil tankers. This move is contingent on President Putin's response to a proposed peace deal with Ukraine. The sanctions aim to increase pressure on Moscow, potentially impacting global energy markets and defense stocks sensitive to geopolitical tensions. In a significant development in naval warfare, Ukraine's State Security Service has executed a groundbreaking uncrewed underwater vehicle attack on a Russian submarine. This marks a historic first in the use of such technology, showcasing the evolving nature of military engagements and the increasing role of autonomous systems in conflict scenarios. Denmark has taken a substantial step in enhancing its coastal defense capabilities by acquiring the Naval Strike Missile Coastal Defense System from Kongsberg. This over €100 million investment will bolster Denmark's ability to counter modern naval threats, reflecting a broader trend of European nations strengthening their defense postures in response to regional security challenges. The U.S. State Department has approved a $100.2 million sale to Japan for Aegis Class Destroyer support. This deal is set to enhance Japan's naval capabilities, reinforcing the strategic military alliance between the two nations and contributing to regional stability in the Asia-Pacific, particularly amid rising tensions in the area. Northrop Grumman has introduced AiON, a next-generation counter-drone system that leverages artificial intelligence to detect and neutralize aerial threats. This innovation underscores the increasing importance of AI in defense technologies, as nations seek advanced solutions to address the growing threat of unmanned aerial systems. Turning to the markets, let's examine how these developments are influencing specific companies. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, saw its stock price dip slightly by 0.28% to $234.65. The company recently demonstrated integrated electronic warfare capabilities at a U.S. Navy exercise, showcasing its advanced drone technologies. This demonstration highlights AeroVironment's strategic focus on enhancing its defense offerings, which could position it well for future contracts. Rheinmetall, ticker symbol RHM.DE, experienced a significant drop of 4.92%, closing at $1,536.50. This decline follows the announcement that Quantum Systems secured a contract to supply drones to the German armed forces, potentially impacting Rheinmetall's market position in the defense sector. The contract represents a shift in defense procurement priorities, emphasizing the role of unmanned systems. The iShares U.S. Aerospace and Defense ETF, ticker symbol ITA, fell by 0.81% to $207.95. The ETF's performance reflects broader sector pressures from geopolitical tensions, particularly the anticipated U.S. sanctions on Russia. Investors are closely monitoring these developments, which could influence defense spending and market dynamics. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, saw its shares decline by 1.52% to $477.06. Despite recent contract wins, including new NATO fighter deliveries and missile defense work, the stock faced price pressure. These contracts highlight Lockheed Martin's strategic positioning in global defense markets, yet investor sentiment remains cautious amid broader market volatility. Northrop Grumman, ticker symbol NOC, also experienced a decline, with its stock down 1.23% to $568.72. The introduction of its AiON counter-drone system is a significant technological advancement, yet the market response suggests investors are weighing the immediate financial impact against long-term strategic benefits. Boeing, ticker symbol BA, bucked the trend with a modest gain of 0.59%, closing at $206.71. The company's collaboration with SEA to integrate KraitArray sonar systems into unmanned surface vehicles reflects Boeing's ongoing innovation in maritime defense. This partnership enhances Boeing's capabilities in anti-submarine warfare, potentially driving future growth. General Dynamics, ticker symbol GD, saw its stock decrease by 0.94% to $337.49. The recent delivery of the USNS Lucy Stone, a fleet replenishment oiler, underscores General Dynamics' role in supporting naval operations. However, the stock's performance indicates investor concerns about broader market conditions and defense spending trends. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. Monitor defense stocks for volatility amid new U.S. sanctions on Russia. 2. Watch AeroVironment for potential contract wins following its EW capabilities demo. 3. Follow Boeing's maritime defense innovations for growth opportunities.